Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. I'm Brian and today we are here with another tutorial in Photoshop. Today we want to learn how to use symmetry for drawing. From 2018 version, you can use this feature in this Photoshop. So at first we need the brush tool to our work. So I'm clicking on it, and on the top of the screen you can see this butterfly with a symmetrical line. Just click on it and here you can see that there are lots of options here. So the first one here is vertical and horizontal. So let me test both of them. For example, here we have the vertical, clicking on it, and you can make it bigger also. Okay, from both sides to just draw an exact shape. Use the enter button on the keyboard or just click on this icon and now you can start drawing. Just select your pen color and type. So I'm okay with this. And now select your layer and then start drawing. I'm gonna just draw a butterfly like we have here. Okay, it's very easy to draw like this. And now, you know, my painting is not so good, so let's go for the horizontal one. And now I'm not gonna make it bigger because it will affect the whole of your screen. Enter on your keyboard. If you start drawing, you'll notice that it will affect the whole of the screen. So, and it's not dependent on your line. Okay, and here I'm gonna just draw a fish. Okay, I'm not good at drawing, but I believe it might be good. And now, if you want to turn off this symmetrical line, just go to that butterfly and use the first one, symmetry off. And now you can use your pen tool as usual. So I'm gonna add an eye to this fish because it's kind of blind. Okay, so let's check the other ones. I'm gonna delete all of this, what we have created here, and then just clicking on it, and you can check all of these together. For example, the next one I'm gonna try is maybe dual axis. Okay, now after clicking on this icon, you can start your drawing. I'm gonna draw maybe a flower. Okay, it's well, and another one. So let's go for the other options here. If you check this, you can turn your symmetry off if you want to be free from these lines. And then here, the last use symmetry, I can use the last one. For example, it was the horizontal. And then there are other lots of ways to use symmetry. And then transform symmetry and high symmetry are both two other options. I'm gonna use the transform symmetry to see what will happen then. Okay, and then clicking on OK. And now you can restart your new drawing here. And then the last one is high symmetry. You can start drawing without seeing this line. And if I click on it, you can see that now you can draw without the lines. And so this tutorial is also over. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. If you have any questions, just tell me in the comment section below. I'll be glad to answer. Don't forget to check other videos on my channel. See you in the next video.